You see it in the shower drain, on your pillow, or under that harsh office light. Hair loss is relentless, and right on cue, your social media feed shows you ads for Alpha Infuse. The before and after photos are dramatic, and the promise is powerful. Reactivate dead follicles and reverse balding with a revolutionary natural formula. They promise to restore your confidence. But what are they really selling? Is this a breakthrough or just another expensive bottle of hope preying on our insecurity? We're going to find out if it's a scam, and the answer will save you hundreds of dollars. Before you spend $1, understand this. The hair loss industry is a multi-billion-dollar market built on fantasy. I didn't just read the testimonials on their website. I spent the last week digging into their parent company, their proprietary blend, and every single ingredient. I cross-referenced their scientific claims with actual clinical data from the National Institutes of Health. Why? Because there are only 2 FDA-approved, clinically proven drugs for male pattern hair loss: minoxidil and finasteride. Everything else, especially natural supplements like Alpha Infuse, plays by completely different, unregulated rules. I'm here to find out if this is a legitimate new player or just pseudoscience in a bottle. The claims on the Alpha Infuse sales page are precision-engineered to hit your pain points. Claim 1. It's a natural and safe DHT blocker. This is their main scientific-sounding claim. They say ingredients like saw palmetto stop testosterone from converting to DHT, the hormone that causes baldness. They position this as a safe alternative to the drug finasteride. Claim 2. Zero side effects. This is their main weapon. They paint the FDA-approved options, minoxidil and finasteride, as dangerous chemicals with serious side effects. They present their all-natural supplement as 100% safe. Claim 3. It's clinically proven to work. Their site shows a clinical studies tab with impressive numbers. 85% of users saw significant regrowth. They claim their formula nourishes the scalp from within, awakening dormant follicles with biotin and exotic herbs. This trio of claims, it's a natural blocker, it's safe, and it's proven, is designed to make you feel like it's a risk-free solution. Let's put these claims under the microscope. Investigating Claim 1. Is it a natural DHT blocker? Their main ingredient is saw palmetto. There is some very preliminary research suggesting it might inhibit the same enzyme as finasteride, but the key word is might. A large 2012 systematic review found the effect is minimal at best. To compare this weak, unproven herb to the powerful proven effect of the drug finasteride is completely misleading. You are not getting a medically significant DHT blocking effect from this product. Investigating Claim 2. Are there zero side effects? This is the most dangerous claim. Natural does not mean safe. Poison ivy is natural. The same saw palmetto can cause side effects including dizziness, nausea, and ironically, it can also impact your libido, the very side effect they use to scare you from finasteride. Worse, supplements like Alpha Infuse are not regulated by the FDA for efficacy or safety. You have no guarantee that the dose on the bottle is what's in the bottle. Investigating Claim 3, the clinical study and ingredients. I found their study. It was not published in any peer-reviewed medical journal. It was an internal customer satisfaction survey of 50 people, funded by the parent company, with no placebo control. That isn't science. It's marketing. Now for the other miracle ingredient, biotin. Yes, your body needs biotin for hair, but unless you are one of the extremely rare people with a biotin deficiency, taking more of it does absolutely nothing to stop male pattern baldness. Your body just excretes the expensive excess. The rest of the formula is a proprietary blend, a legal trick to hide that it's just a basic multivitamin sold for a 5,000% markup. The final verdict, Alpha Infuse is a classic case of masterful marketing. It combines a tiny kernel of truth, that DHT is the enemy, with massive, unproven leaps in logic. The evidence for its ingredients is non-existent compared to the proven medical treatments. It's designed to extract money from you via an expensive subscription, banking on the placebo effect. Save your money. See a real board-certified dermatologist. They will tell you the truth. Your only proven options are minoxidil, finasteride, or a transplant. This bottle of natural herbs isn't one of them.